Hello my dear students. So this is like where another 3-4 days left for your Karnataka CET exam, yet some students are still confused like what need to read, what not. Okay, so in a short time, what are all the points you need to concentrate that play a very important role. If you study all the available time till now, okay, at the last time if you're not concentrating on some of the important points, then it will be of like a waste of time. Okay, for that reason, so this is like by analyzing papers from 2014 to 2019. So what are all the important concept or the topics that you need to concentrate on each chapter. Okay, that is how I have prepared the table over here. Okay, and even in the previous video I have told the weightage of each chapter. Okay, and you could see if you have gone through the papers previous around second PU chapter or a second PU syllabus, you will going to get around 46 questions. Okay, and from the first PU around the 14 questions will appear. Okay, the thing that you need to concentrate more on a second PU syllabus itself. Okay, so here chapter wise I have given some of the important topics, okay, which you need to concentrate at the remaining time whatever you have now. Okay, the first chapter is like a solid state, so where the weightage I have already given around 1 or maximum 2 questions will appear from solid state, and the topics that you need to concentrate are like a density related problems. Okay, so like same in theory how you used to get to calculate the density. Okay, like that the density related problems will appear. Okay, and the relation between like a edge length and the radius. Okay, for example, A is equal to 2r for the simple unit cell, so they're going to ask you like a numerical itself about how to find out where the edge length will be given, you have to find out the radius, like that. Okay, for a different type of a cell, so that one, and about the coordination number. So for example, what is the coordination number of in HCP, okay, of a 2-dimensional. So those are all the possible questions from solid state, so you need to concentrate on those topics much. Okay, similarly come to the solution chapter. Okay, so from the solution, if you have gone through around 2 questions will definitely appear. Okay, that too on the topics like a colligative properties. Okay, colligative properties, when I mention, it might be about the osmotic pressure. When it comes to osmotic pressure, about the isotonic solutions. Okay, and some other like relative lowering of vapor pressure, especially the freezing point. Okay, and the elevation in boiling point, how it varies when the number of atoms will change. Okay, sorry, number of solute particles will change. So based on that one you're going to get, okay, the change I have mentioned here, and about the want of factor, about the association, dissociation, what will be the value. And this is like examples of ideal and the non-ideal solution. Okay, where one example will be given, you have to write like out of 4 which is like ideal or the non-ideal solution. Okay, and azeotropic mixture examples, when it comes to azeotropic, minimum boiling azeotrope, maximum boiling azeotrope, with their examples actually that play a very important role. And how to remember the examples I have explained in one of the video. Okay, you can go through, I'm going to mention that in the description box. So this is about the solution. So next comes about the electrochemistry. Okay, so around 2 questions will appear, 1 or 2 maximum, like a 2 questions will appear. So that too it is based on the E naught value, calculation of a standard electrode potential E naught value, and to find out the charge. For example, one reaction will be given and you need to find out how much amount of a charge is required, okay, for the oxidation, for the reduction. So that is regarding the Faraday, you will going to get questions. And when it comes to H2O2 fuel cell, the reaction, what happens at the anode and the cathode, like that the question will appear. And the electrochemical series, that is based on the reduction potential or the oxidation potential. Okay, and about the conductance and the molar conductance, if you remember the formula, okay, you have to practice the formula, so it will be like based on that one the questions will appear in a different way. So this is about the 3 chapters. So the next one is like the chemical kinetics. So around 2 questions will appear from chemical kinetics. Okay, the topics are like a rate equation representation. Okay, if one reaction will be given in a general way, where with a 4 option the rate equation representation will be given, that you should find out which one. That is a one possibility. And about the order of a reaction, okay, and the graphical based questions, like if a graph will be given, you need to find out which order of a reaction it is, like that. And based on a catalyst, its graphical representation, and about the activation energy. So when I say activation energy, so Arrhenius equation will also play an important role. Arrhenius equation, okay. So these are like an important concept. So when it comes to surface chemistry, so around 1 or 2 questions will appear. So the topics will be based on colloids, okay. When I say colloids itself, it's lyophilic and the lyophobic salts are definitely based questions, okay. And their examples are important, their properties based question will appear. And another important concept is about the coagulation power and coagulation value. They are quite opposite, okay. Coagulation power and the coagulation value, the order they will be given, you need to find out, or some solution will be given, you need to find out which is having the high coagulation power or the value, like that, okay. This is very important, do concentrate on this, okay. So this is from the surface chemistry. So the next one is metallurgy, okay. So metallurgy, if you have gone through around 1 maximum 2 questions again. So it is like based on reactions of extraction. So different extraction you have, like a iron, okay, like a copper you have, okay. And similarly based on what we have, extraction of a gold or the noble metals, okay. So those reactions you need to remember, okay, that is important. And some of the refining method, okay, like electrolytic refining you have, Van Arkel method, Mons process, okay. So those are all process to which metal will going to carry out all those process, that we have to remember, okay. So that is about the metallurgy. And the next one here, I have taken all the periodic group elements, that is S, P, okay, D and F. So P block is for the first year as well as for the second year, okay. So when I consider all these group elements, the main concept when it comes to D and F, it is oxidation state and the stability, okay, where the variable oxidation state will going to exist, that you have to go through. And when it comes to S block and the P block elements, okay, yes, P block elements, and one more chapter I want to include here, that is hydrogen, okay. So among all these, like comes S block elements and the P block, are about the reactions and their properties and their configurations are important. So when I say hydrogen, it might be based on hydrogen peroxide will be the question, like that, okay. So coordination compound, and another important chapter, around 2 questions will definitely appear. So main area of concentration is like a nomenclature, okay. So the name will be given, you have to write the formula, or the formula will be given, you have to write the nomenclature, okay. That is one possibility. And about the isomerism, it may be like a geometrical isomerism, optical isomerism, the linkage isomerism, hydrate isomerism, like that. And like a number of isomers you have to calculate, okay. When the formula will be given, you have to calculate the number of isomers, okay. So these are all the concentrating topics on each, okay. Let us go to the next topic, organic part. And you have gone through all the question paper, the organic part play a very important role, okay. So here for the haloalkanes and the haloarenes, okay, I have written the formula here. Haloalkanes and the haloarenes, the main points you need to concentrate or like reactions and the reagents, okay. So reactions and the reagent, each reactions you have to concentrate, and the role of a reagents you have to concentrate. So for that I have given some of the mind maps, you have to go through that one, okay. I'll going to mention that in the description box. So next is about the lesson 1 and lesson 2 reaction. So in that one, the order of reactivity will be asked, okay. When it comes to SN1, what is the order of reactivity, like a tertiary, secondary, primary, like that, okay. That order of a reactivity might be asked. And most of the questions been asked on the Woods reaction, okay. So this you have to concentrate, either Woods reaction or the Fittig reaction, okay, or the Woods-Fittig reaction. These are the possible, most you have to concentrate, okay. So that is from the haloalkanes and the haloarenes. So next is when it comes to alcohol, phenols and ether, okay, again it is like a based on a reactions and the reagents, okay. You need to remember the reactions and the reagent, the conversion, okay, the conversion. When the alcohol, it is oxidized, what happens, like aldehyde, which is further oxidation, what it gives, like carboxylic acid, okay. Those all with the reagents you have to remember, okay. And one more point, when it comes to phenols, it is basically on the acidity variation. So we know that it is acidic in nature, okay, but how and what happens when the electron withdrawing group present or the electron donating groups present on the acidity of a phenol, okay, that we have to tell. That is order of acidity based questions will appear, and some questions are like related to pK and acidity. So we know that pK and the acidity are inversely proportional, okay. Higher the pK value, lesser will be the acidity. So based on that one, the question will appear. So you need to concentrate on that. So when it comes to, and one more point, when it comes to ether, you need to concentrate on Williamson ether synthesis, okay. There is one possibility of a question you may get. So from aldehyde ketones and the carboxylic acid, the highest weightage in your question paper will be from this topic. Around 4 to 5 questions will appear, okay. So same thing, the reactions and the reagent. When it comes to reaction, you need to concentrate on a named reactions, okay, very important, named reactions and the reagents you have to concentrate, okay. So that based questions where the reaction will be given, predict product A or B, like that, okay. If you know the role of a reagents, if you remember the named reactions, like a what we can say, Itard reaction, Clemmensen reduction reaction, Wolff-Kishner reaction, okay, those all you need to concentrate on that, okay. And one more point, in case of a haloalkanes and the halorines, the question based on a alkyl magnesium halide, that is a Grignard reagent, might appear, okay. Either this or anywhere in the organic part, the question will appear based on the Grignard reagent, okay. So this is about the aldehyde ketones and the carboxylic acid. And when it comes to the carboxylic acid, the order of acidity, okay, so which is highly acidic, which is least acidic, based on the order of reactivity. And one more question is based on a HVZ reaction, Hell-Holhard-Zelensky reaction of a carboxylic acid, okay. These are the possibility. So when it comes to hydrocarbons, like question will be based on a number of possible isomers you need to calculate when the formula will be given, okay. So that is like a structural isomers it might be, or a geometrical isomers, and the reactions of alkenes and the alkynes, that too especially the hydrogenation and the reagent, okay. What happens to the hydrogenation of alkynes, okay, into alkenes, which reagent is used, those all are important points. Next, when it comes to organic principles and techniques, separation techniques in a simple way might be asked, okay. So one question will appear from this part, separation techniques, okay, like a estimation of carbon, hydrogen, like a silver, halogen, okay, sulfur, so cyanide. So those reaction might be asked over there. So this is about the organic like a part. So when it comes to polymer, 1 or 2 questions, and it's the simplest one. The only thing you have to remember is like a monomers, okay. So the monomers, like which are the which is the monomer of a polyethene, okay. Like when it comes to like a types of polymer, means like whether it's a homopolymer or copolymer or the condensation, okay. And one most important point is about the rubber. Okay, so from the rubber, the question will definitely appear about the Buna S or Buna N or the natural rubber, its monomer. Okay, and one more point, that is about the biodegradable polymer. Only thing you have to remember is there the monomers, okay, and the examples. Okay, about the polyamide, about the nylon 6,6, the questions will definitely appear. So next, when it comes to biomolecules, The question is like monosaccharides and their linkage in. So when we take a polysaccharide which consists of a number of monosaccharides, okay, how they are linked. Like when it comes to sucrose, what is the linkage, which are the monomers? We have a glucose and the fructose, how they are related, okay, like alpha 1,4 linkage, alpha 1,2 linkage. Those linkage you have to remember. Where? In case of a starch, in case of a cellulose, glycogen, okay, those are all things. And next about the vitamins and the disease, okay. So like a vitamin C shortage or the deficiency of a vitamin C will cause which disease, for the vitamin A, for the vitamin K, okay, that is very important. When it comes to proteins like a fibrous and the globular protein, the example might be asked, or it might be like their solubility might be asked. And one more questions possibilities about the DNA and RNA. So which are the nitrogen bases, okay, DNA and RNA. So those are the possible questions. And the next one, that is from the first year topics, are, as I told, from the first year around 14 questions will appear. Okay, so when it comes to mole concept, that is the first chapter of your first year. So concept are like the number of atoms calculation, okay, where the combination will be given. You need to calculate how many atoms are present in a given water molecule, like that, okay, and that is related to the Avogadro number. So that is based questions. And about the limiting reagent and the excess reagent, okay, so they're quite related. All these concepts are quite related, and its value they will going to tell you to find out. And one more possibility is based on the empirical formula and the molecular formula, okay, where they'll directly give the percentage of a carbon, hydrogen, or they're going to give in grams, okay. You need to convert into the percentage, and you need to calculate the empirical formula as well as the molecular formula. There is a possibility. So next one is based on structure of atom and the periodicity, okay. These are quite related questions. So definitely question will appear, around 2 questions will definitely, by combining these two. So it is like atomic radii order, okay, how it will going to change, what is the order they'll going to ask, and the size trends, okay. So like when it comes to cation, anion, the neutral ion, what is the order of their size, okay, there is a possibility. And about the isoelectronic species might be the question, okay, and that is nothing but a based on their order, okay, that is a trend. And wavelength related problem might be asked, okay. So from the periodicity, it is like a periodic trends. So arrange them in the increasing order of their what we can say ionization energy, or the radii, or the basic or the acidic property, electron affinity, or the electronegativity, like that questions will appear, okay. So from the chemical bonding and the molecular structure, one maximum 2 questions, that too it is based on the bond order, okay. Shape and hybridization, that is based on the MOT, okay, that you have to concentrate. So bond order, so different, arrange them in the increasing bond order, or find out the bond order, okay. What is the shape when the hybridization will be given, okay, what is the shape of a xenon hexafluoride, like that question will appear, okay. So that is all about the chemical bonding and the molecular structure, okay. And the next part is when it comes to states of matter, one question will appear, that is based on the gas laws, like Charles law, Boyle's law, okay, Gay-Lussac's law, Avogadro's law, okay, and ideal gas equation related question might appear. And some questions like based on the compressibility factor, what is the value for the ideal gas, okay, what is the value for the non-ideal gas. Those are all possible questions. So when it comes to thermodynamics, so the questions are based on the enthalpy, entropy, okay. So how they will going to change for the spontaneous, for the non-spontaneous reaction, what its value, okay, and how the Gibbs energy changes, okay, whether it's a positive, negative, or zero, okay. And some of the heat of formation, okay, heat of enthalpy of a reaction, those based questions will appear, okay. So this is one. And next 2 will be like from the equilibrium, so acid base concept, about the Bronsted-Lowry concept, about the Lewis concept. Okay, that is a possibility question. And about the pH might the question appear, and something about related to Kp and Kc questions. Okay, from the redox reaction, it is like a balancing the reactions, okay, where the reactions will be given and like balance the following reactions, find out the values, where all the 4 options will be having the different values and you need to find out. And about the oxidation number question might appear. So these two are quite related. Okay, so this is all about the weightage and the possible areas that the question might appear in each topic. Okay, so at least you need to concentrate on all these points so that you can do better in your exam. So this is, I hope you find it useful. Okay, be confident. Okay, that is the main point that is required. Okay, so I wish you all the best to all students. Okay, thank you.